Hello, I'm Brian Engel with the Lock Team at Realty Group, and today I present you with two models that we'll be building in our Morning Sun Association maintained single-family detached townhome community in Lindstrom, Minnesota. So let's start with the model on the right. It's the Evaline. It's 1,412 square feet, starts in the 260s. On the left, we've got the Amelia. That model is 1287 on the square footage and starts in the 250s. So these current models that you're viewing are actually built in Cambridge as single-family homes. In Cambridge, there's no association, and there's an alley on the back side of the home. So what you're going to see here in these tours is that basically there's a front porch that faces the street, and the garage and the back entrance, which we're now entering, faces the alley. So when we first open the door for the Evaline, we're greeted with a large 8-foot center island in the kitchen and an open floor plan that shows you the dining room and living room. So that full side of the house is wide open. There's plenty of storage on the back side of the island, as well as cabinetry along the wall in the kitchen. You'll also notice that these floors are treated with luxury vinyl planking, which are individual planks. And in this area here, you've got the entrance from the garage, the mechanical room, and a closet. So the garage is a 2-car garage, and we also build these with attic trusses, so we can do an attic in the rafters above the garage with a pull-down ladder. So again, this is the Evaline. You've got vaulted ceilings, you get that wide open floor plan, and a large, comfortable family room. Next, on the right side of the house, you've got the bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a laundry room. So if we go down this hallway here, you're first going to see the second bedroom with a fairly large closet. And then this is close to the second bathroom, which is a full bath. So that's kind of nice because if you have visitors, they kind of have their own bedroom and bathroom right there. This room here is the laundry room, and it's connected to the master closet. But what we also have is a little sink here with a linen closet built in. So like I mentioned, the laundry room is connected to the master walk-in closet, which is convenient. You can say goodbye to laundry baskets pretty much. And then that's connected to the master bath. The master bath, you'll notice, has what we call a roll-in shower. So there's no lip on the shower. The water is tapered down to the drain, and it's full ceramic in the master bath. And this here is the master bedroom, which connects to the living room. So again, this is 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, 2-car garage. Out here in Cambridge, it sells for $219,900. In Lindstrom, in our Morning Sun development, it's a little higher price on the land, so those prices are going to start in the 260s. So next, what we're going to do is we're going to walk down the alley here in Cambridge over to the Amelia. Now the Amelia is also a floor plan that we build as detached townhomes in Isanti as the Penelope, and this model here in Cambridge is also referred to as the Penelope. But we'll have a little bit more square footage. There's actually going to be a walk-in closet before the mechanical room, so it's going to be a little bit larger than the Penelope that you'll view here. But the floor plan is virtually the same other than the walk-in closet. So you can see again, open floor plan. You've got the center island, dining room, living room, vaulted ceiling, You've got a little nook here, kind of a mudroom area. You've got a kind of a pocket right here where you can put bowling trophies or flowers, probably more realistically. And then you've got two doors here. The door on the right goes to the garage. The door on the left goes to the mechanical room. Again, these models have luxury vinyl plank on the flooring. And you can see with this center island, it's a little bit smaller than the Evaline. It's about a 5-foot island, so you can get probably 2, maybe 3 stools at that island. And then as you can see here, as we walk through the living room, there's a little bump out where there's a bench for your guests to remove or put on their shoes. Then on the left side of the home, we've got the 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, and the laundry room is a separate room here unto itself. And then you've got the 2nd bedroom right here, again with a good sized closet. And then the 2nd bath, which is a full bath. Then on the master bedroom, on the Penelope or on the Amelia, it's a little bit actually larger than the Evaline model. So I think it's 14 by 13 in the master bedroom. You also notice that the closet and the bathroom are separate in the Amelia floor plan. So here's the large walk-in closet and the master walk-in bath, again with the roll-in shower. Now that's an option. You can go with, a tray and a lip, or whatever the case may be. We do custom build these homes. These are models, so we add specific features to make them more accessible and more flexible for various buyers. But that's pretty much it. That's the tour of the Evaline and the Amelia. Again, you can view these models yourself out here in Cambridge, Minnesota at our Heritage Greens development. So if you would like to see them live and in person or set up a new construction consultation, please give me a call. It's Brian Engel, 612-703-6899 with the Lock Team at Realty Group. Thanks for joining me. I hope you have a great day.